Hi guys, today we're gonna open Cotton Candy Cuties. I hope we got strawberry or not unicorn or kitty. I have like two, so today I'm gonna open one of these, which is this one. The collector guide, there's cupcake, kitty, strawberry, unicorn, orange, and pudding. I hope we got kitty or strawberry or unicorn. We'll wrap this up. Okay, wrap this up. This be an open here. Oh, here it is. A place to wrap it up. You know, guys, I have like more toys to open. I haven't like opened it for like almost months, but not really months, just like a little bit. And I got it opened. Now to pull it. Okay. I know there's gonna be like a stretchy slime like the last one. It's just I brought this for safety. And to keep the slime, and I'm gonna name it later. Maybe it's gonna be, I don't know, yellowish? Yellow sun? I don't really know. Let's open it. Okay, gonna wrap this thing up first. Gonna pull it down, so it's gonna open. There we go. There, crack it open. Ooh, now this is the part where it gets kind of sticky. Okay guys, I need some scissors, and here we go. Handy and yeah. I'm super duper excited, guys. This is Zoosh. So it's some kind of a name of the product if we're trying to search it. Whoa. Now we're gonna open about the slime part. It's colored in yellow. Oh my gosh, it's like so soft, guys. Oh my. And it's even scented. What is this scented? Oh, it's lemon. I just like really want to smell it again. I'm gonna smell it again and again until like, you know, forever. Wow, there's like so much slimes. I can't even take it because it's like so sticky. Sticks everywhere. Wow. It's like so yellow. Like, it's like yellow. Like, so yellow. Oh my gosh, guys. This is like so cool. Oh my god. It's like so fluffy now. You're like trying to buy this. You could buy it Toys Kingdom. It's like so cool and so fluffy and super duper stretchy. Oh, there's another one popped up. Whee! Okay, so let me just like stretch it out. Guys, look at this. Whoa, that's like a pop a little bit. Want to see something more stretchy, guys? Here, I'm just like kind of do this. And there we go, the stretchiness. Oh my gosh, that's like so cool. I think I'm just gonna put it inside a box, which is super duper safe. So try to make it open. There we go, and try to just squash it a little bit. Could fit. There we go. It can't be really, you know, do like this, but yeah, it's kind of cool. It's stretchy and it's super fluffy when you're trying to, like, you know, stretch it for a while. You get scissors. I think it didn't really open that part. Let's try to open it again. Alright. There we go. I got it opened. Alright, who do we got? Oh my gosh, guys, we got unicorn. It's like my dream. Oh my, finally. Don't have to rush everywhere to find her. There we go. Oh my gosh, guys, like so cute. Doesn't sound much, but like so cute, guys. The last time I got wait, I kind of rather forget last time. Oh, we got cupcake. It's like so cute too. It's like so, you know, it's like could be pushed. It's kind of like a fast rise squishy, but not really squishy, so I'm just gonna put it inside here. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, so it's not gonna stick everywhere. I'm just gonna make it stick for me. Take it all on my table. Time for the best part, making it fluffy. It's like so cool, guys. Like a cloud, it's like so fluffy. Oh my god. Try to like such and just do like this way. It's like so fluffy and scented. And you know, guys, like almost all slimes like so satisfying. When I watch like some kind of a slime video, there is like all the slimes are so satisfying. There's like no failed slimes, like not even a one slime, like not even a slime. It's like everything is like so satisfying and it all worked. And of course you could try to watch on YouTube. Lettuce slime's like so cool. I ever watched it. It's like so cool, like all mixing eyeshadow, nail polish and stuff. And of course like makeup, it's like all makeup. But the best way to give a slime color more than makeup than like spending it. It's supposed to be like a glue, and you can like color it with food coloring. It's like so fluffy now. If you try to make it fluffy, just like turn it all around. Like for a while, it could be like super fluffy. Whoa, so cool. Can't really poke it, but if like it's fluffy, I could poke it. There you go. Okay guys, I think it's all about today, about slime. Hope you like, subscribe, comments below, and enjoy. Click the notification bell, and hope you watch more. Bye!